welcome to the another episode of Hi everyone, this is Brunali and welcome to the another episode of Chutney. Today I have decided to make a very yummy street style recipe for you guys. So आज हम बनाने वाले हैं yummy सा चटपटा सा आलू चाट. Main ingredients है आलू and obviously chaat masala. I can assure you guys one thing, this recipe is going to make you drool over it. It's a very easy simple recipe and you need a very few ingredients for it. So before moving further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and for more updates you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be given in the description box. So now let's just get started. Aloo chaat is ready. If you guys like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comment section what do you guys want to see next, and see you next time. Bye.